What makes the number 4 so significant? Why does it appear in so many aspects of our lives, from mathematics to culture? The number 4 holds a unique place in history and symbolism. And today, we'll explore its importance across different fields. Whether in nature, culture, or daily life, the number 4 has deeper implications than you might think. In mathematics, 4 is one of the simplest numbers, yet its properties are profound. It is the smallest composite number, made by multiplying 2 by 2. It is also the first square number, meaning it's the result of multiplying a number by itself. This gives it a sense of stability and structure, which we can see reflected in practical uses like the 4 sides of a square, the foundation of many shapes and designs. Historically, the number 4 has held great importance across different civilizations. In ancient Greece, the Pythagoreans associated it with justice and balance, as it represented equality through symmetry. In China, however, the number 4 has a different connotation. The pronunciation of the word for 4 in Mandarin is similar to the word for death, which gives it an unlucky association in Chinese culture. This cultural view shows how numbers can carry both positive and negative meanings depending on the context. Culturally, the number 4 is often tied to the natural world and universal systems. Think of the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. These divisions of the year shape how we live, work, and experience time. Similarly, many indigenous cultures recognize the 4 cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west, as the fundamental orientations for navigating the world. These symbolic representations highlight how 4 is often linked to organization, cycles, and harmony. In practical life, the number 4 appears in many everyday structures. There are 4 wheels on most vehicles, providing balance and mobility. Furniture, like tables and chairs, typically have 4 legs, offering stability. Even in technology, the number 4 is present. Think about digital storage. Kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes are often expressed in powers of 2, and 4 plays a role in the binary system. In conclusion, the number 4 stands out for its mathematical properties, historical significance, cultural meanings, and practical applications. It symbolizes balance, structure, and stability in many contexts, from the natural world to the way we build and design. The next time you see the number 4, consider its deeper meaning and how it shapes the world around us. Whether it's guiding the seasons or forming the foundations of everyday objects, 4 is more than just a number. It's a symbol of order and continuity.